Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to keep your GIGABYTE G7 from sleeping. To do it, you can just go to the settings and now go to System, Power and Battery. Let's go back to Power and Battery, and now if you go to Screen, Sleep and Hibernate Timeouts, you'll see the timeouts for when plugged in and when on battery separately. When your screen turns off, of course these are the times of inactivity. After your screen turns off, your device goes to sleep, or your device goes to hibernate mode, which hibernate mode is something like shutdown mode, but it persists all the open windows. So if you turn your laptop on again, it'll still have all the windows on in the same order and everything will be saved. It just persists the state of the system, but your laptop uses zero power at that time. And now let's change it for when plugged in first. So I like my screen to go off after maybe 10 minutes. I don't want it to stay on for too long. But you know, if your screen turns off but your device doesn't go to sleep yet, it'll still run all the processes, so you don't need to worry about it. So I don't like to keep it to never, but I'll make my device never go to sleep on when plugged in, and when on battery, I'll set it to 5 minutes for the screen, maybe 25 minutes for the sleep, and hibernation I'll set to never, because I don't want to use too much power. That's why I'm setting the sleep to 25 minutes. And I think that this is the best for me, but if you'd like, you can also set everything to never if you just don't want your laptop to go to sleep. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.